been waiting for this moment. Oh. I think this is the one. We've done our little bits and bots shopping in Karratha, but how good's this? We've got a little water station with a hose here, which is actually, for some reason, it's in bypass mode. So, I don't know if they know about it or not, but we're filling up our water tanks here. It says on the reviews that it's free, so happy days. Gonna top everything up and off we go, I think. It's a good little spot here Karratha's got. It's for filling up water for caravans, and a big parking bay here as well for caravans to pull up, which is right out the front of Kmart, Coles, Woolies. It's bloody good. But I'm going to donate my chair to here, the water station, just so any other caravans can pull up and fill their caravans up, have a little sit down. Don't know how long it's going to last, but here's what it is. We've come up the Python Pool Road and check this view out. Absolutely incredible. And there's no one here either. I mean, the road into here was pretty average. It's bloody corrugated the first, I don't know, 3 or 4 k's. Real bad. But it turns to this winding sealed road, which is incredible. Like you got to go pretty slow, but the views are just incredible as well. And check out these flowers. Are they a kangaroo paw or something? I'm not too sure, but everywhere, those little flowers. But anyway, we'll keep cracking. I'll put it on the roof, the GoPro, because it's just incredible, these views. Bloody beautiful spot. Freezing cold water, but bloody beautiful spot. I think we're going to park up, have some lunch here. Well, that is Python Pool. Bloody good little spot there. Perfect little spot. Even the little pools up above, there's a couple of boys up there. I don't know if you saw them in the drone videos. Climbed all the way up the top there and jumped in those pools up there. But anyway, we're hitting the road again and we're heading towards Port Headland. Don't know where we're going to get to tonight, but find somewhere, I guess. Well, we made it here. We're here in Port Headland, and check out this camp spot. This is right in the middle of Port Headland, right next to the racecourse, and it's a free camp. 72 hours I think it is, as long as you've got a caravan. But it's a bloody good spot. A bit noisy with old mate, his motorbike going past, but should die off during the night. Yeah, really good spot. So we're only here for a night, and this is my little present I got myself. Some towing mirrors. There's the Muppet. Touchwood do a service on the car in the morning. Got all the gear in Karratha, and then get out of here. Show you a bit of Port Headland. All the trains, miners, flashing lights, beacons and flags everywhere. But it's a bit too busy for my liking, so there she is. What a bloody ripper that is. Little cup holder. Cooler box. And it folds up. It folds out pretty easy for now. So over the moon with that. That's what you get in the box. 2 mirrors, some nuts and the instructions. So yeah, it's getting a bit dark. I reckon we'll try and whack them on tomorrow morning before we go, and see how we go there. Well, it's the next day, and done a little oil change and filter change on the car because we hit 10,000. But that was quick enough, easy enough. Emptied the catch can as well. It was about 200-300 mil in that. But it's overcast today in Port Headland, so we're going to go and check out a little spot called Pretty Pools, and they got a nice shower there apparently. So we're going to go check that out, have a shower, dump this oil somewhere. I don't know where. Go to the tip, see if they got an oil dump or something. But then have a look around Port Headland. Have a look at that big unit. Go stand next to it. It's huge, that thing. Cat 992K. Yeah. Bloody big unit. But, you got nothing on that? Nah. It's huge. Everyone's seen these big trucks, but not many people have seen the big quads they got up here. Bloody long things. Have a look at them. That's pretty much every truck up here in a quad.
There you go, there's a quad.
We've pulled up at Pretty Pools, which is in Port Headland, about a couple of minutes out of Port Headland. But check this out, beautiful little spot here. You can get down on the beach there, you can park on there. I'm going to go for a swim down there because it looks pretty nice. But 2 Barbies, playground, a couple of benches, and this awesome grass area, a couple of showers up there as well. Socia's just having a shower, but apparently the fishing's pretty good too off here. But it looks like the tide's on its way in. So this is the port of Headland, and there's tugboats going everywhere. But, pretty out there what you can see, how close you get to it. We got them on there, finally. Now we've got some bloody big ears. But should be able to see behind the caravan now, which is going to be bloody handy because I couldn't see a damn thing before. But stoked with that. Took longer than I thought. Had to cut the wires, cut the connector off the old mirrors and sort of wire them up. Test it out with the little what is it, the meter. Find the right wires because there's nothing really on the internet on them. So yeah, just made it work. But got there in the end, so I'm over the moon with that. I can see what I'm doing now. This is Coombana Lookout, which is a pretty decent little lookout. I mean, check out how many ships are out there. There'd be what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 28 I can see, but I doubt there'll be, well, probably another 10 in there. But a good little lookout, this one. Couple of little benches, bins. And that bloody giant, is it a water tank? I'm guessing, oh, I don't know. Bloody big thing, it's got some Telstra crap hanging off it. But no, good little lookout, this one. And just like that, that's our time done in Headland. It's a quick little time, only 2 days, but it's bloody good little town. I mean, 72 hours free caravan camping spot down there, right next to the turf club here. Bloody good. Free water, there's toilets in there as well. There's another tap down by the camp spot. But yeah, we managed to get the car serviced, plan the next 2 weeks of our little trip, and just sort of relax a bit, take it easy. Had a little look around, not much to see. It's a bit on the quiet side at the moment, Port Headland. Like last time I was here, they had a load of dump trucks everywhere, but there's not much going on here. Trains going everywhere, people going everywhere, but yeah, it's sort of slowed down a bit. I think that's going to do us for Port Headland. Thanks for watching. Still having troubles with these audio issues, but I don't know. If they're bothering you, leave in the comments and I'm a little detailed thing and I'll try and sort it out. But thanks for watching, guys. I guess we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.